27-inch iMac motherboard A1419, and before it's no power, we replace this SMCIC. After replacing, board is powered on, but now board is powered on and no display. See, as soon as we on motherboard, it's taken almost 2 ampere and there is only two lights. See, there is only two lights, and this is indicate that there is something issue in motherboard now. It's on and off now, and we return on, and only two lights. We have to replace the BIOS. This is now power on, no display. Let's replace the BIOS and check what is the issue is solved and not. Thank you. Let's reprogram the BIOS now. We connect BIOS in our socket, and now power on our BIOS programmer. After power on, we have to identify smart identify BIOS. BIOS is detected 64 MB MX. Open file now. Open file. This is iMac 1419. See, iMac 1419 model. In this model, board number is 820-3481. We select board number. Okay. Now we have to program, auto program, erasing chip. After erasing its program, now it's programming, writing in the chip. After programming the BIOS, we have to install BIOS in motherboard and check display is coming or not. Thank you. It's done now.